Is it a special Hangout that you? I haven't watched the video yet. Is it a special type of Hangout that you create that's on air? Or
Yes, you gotta go to a certain spot and actually set it up.
okay, cool.
Can you see on the Hangout the screen? Is that showing correctly?
Yeah, yeah.
Even when you talk and stuff. Because like yesterday, I noticed our first recording, it actually showed, like whenever you talked, it showed your face, and then it showed the screen, and it showed your face and the screen. So I think you must actually tell it like, stay focused on the screen only, or else it keeps swapping by itself. Anyway, shall we get down to business here?
Yeah.
So make sure I got the console in the right place. Where am I looking here? Yeah, okay. Cool, that's the right directory. Cool. Okay, let's get this going. So this looks like a pretty straightforward exercise, actually. And if you want to read, have you read over what we need to do yet?
No, I'll quickly just scan it. Okay, so create a class, book in stock. So book, ISBN number.
Yeah, while you're reading it, I'm going to start defining the class.
All right.
Right.
ISBN number is a string. First one price. Yeah, so the first argument is the ISBN number as a string. Price is the second argument.
I'm assuming we need to actually have this.
Yeah, include the proper getters and setters for these attributes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's
include a method price as string that returns the price of the book. Okay, yeah, so that's basically what we need to do.
Yeah, so we receive an ISBN and we receive a price. And then we need to raise an argument error if one of the rubies, if ISBN is empty string or the price is less than or equal to 0. Okay, so I think you would raise it like this. You'd create a new instance of it. Like that, and raise argument error.new.
Price is less than 0, something like that.
Right, so okay, we got those two, but we need to obviously do this next.
Yeah.
If is less than or equal to 0.
Yeah.
Cool. So because you've got the attribute accesses like that, we need to access the global value. So we need to say either self or at is equal to ISBN. At price is equal to price. Right. So that passes them in, and then when you then the ISBN equal and ISBN methods that attribute access creates, we'll look at those two values to get and set the value. Those two things, those two variables. Cool, that's the first part, right?
Yeah, and then just a method called price as string.
You want to go for it? I'll let you drive for a bit.
Alright, cool. So let's see here. Price as string. No arguments, right?
Yeah. In fact, you could probably leave those brackets off, right? It will mean the same thing.
Okay. Cool.
I like to leave them off. I suppose it's just a personal thing.
No, that's fine. Okay, and then we don't need a return as well. So we just need to with price. Okay, so are we going to use like at price or?
We can just use price directly because that's available as a method.
Okay, cool. So price, and then you said we should do a print f.
That sprintf thing, I think, will give you the right price. forget now exactly how sprintf works. I think that's right. Let's just see. I think sprintf is actually a method on the base class, on the object class, so that the main object that everything in Ruby inherits from. So
Yeah,
you could probably
right.
just say sprintf and then %.2f comma price. I think will give us the string that we want back. Obviously to include the dollar, but let's just test that for now.
So you mean like dollar
Percentage. So look here. Have you used sprintf thing before?
Not in Ruby, but yeah.
So you need to say what's %.2f. I just want to print the price for now.
Yeah,
like
no,
that, right? So that should return back what we want. So
I can understand what you're saying. Okay.
booking stock.new. So we pass in whatever there, right? 20 dot process string should be equal to like that, right?
Yeah.
Let's just run the console here and see what happens. So it's true. Okay. Obviously we need to include the dollar. So can you actually do this? Would that be a valid sprintf statement?
Yes, that's fine.
Let's see what that gives us. Yeah, okay, cool. That's even simpler than what I was thinking. Can we do this?
Just test it with like a decimal there as well.
Let's see what this does. It's a private method, so you can't call it like that. So what do you want to do?
Yeah, just put a decimal in there in the test value that you have.
Let's make another one, shall we?
Yeah.
Can you swap between desktops? If you swap with 2 fingers, does it like you swipe?
On your side.
Yeah.
No, I didn't enable that. I think. Well, wait, what's that? No, that's just you swiping. Well, that's just.
That was like that's your cursor doing that every time you do the swipe thing. Yeah, weird. Anyway, so if we go 20.1, so it should equal 20.10 string, right, with the dollar sign. True. To be honest, I mean, like this, do you want to submit this? I think this should actually do it for the assignment, to be honest.
Oh, that's like really easy, yeah.
So let's submit that and see what happens.
Okay.
If there are spec stuff or not. Okay, so here's a file, desktop. Check. Okay, it's doing the check thing. 100 out of 100. That was too easy.
Cool.
Yeah,
okay.
Alright. So that's that for this one.
How long was that session?
I think the timer on here. Let me just stop sharing screen there for a second. No, it doesn't have a timer on here, but we can see on the video afterwards. Okay, cool. Yeah. I'll send you the link for this Hangout, or once the event is live, and then yeah, well, stay on screen here. Let's chat a little bit more.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Cool.